Welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to take a trip to the beach and I am going to teach you how to draw a starfish. So let's get started. Okay, illustrators, we're going to start our starfish. We're going to create a series of triangles. And we'll put all 5 triangles together to create our starfish. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now drawing a star, at least for me, can sometimes be really difficult. Here is a really easy way to learn how to draw a perfect star. Okay, illustrators, a quick way to learn to draw a star. Come up with the letter A, over, and back down. And then you can erase these center lines. It's a great way to learn. So just practice this over and over again. And then eventually you'll be able to just draw the star without using the cross pieces to help you. You can do it. Okay, illustrators, let's continue with our starfish picture. We've got our basic body shape here. Now we're going to add the eyes. So we'll put 1 small circle here, followed by a larger oval on this side to create some character here with our starfish. We'll fill in with some pupils, 1 and 2. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of that paper showing through to create an eye highlight in each of the pupils here. Little eyebrows. And this starfish is going to be super jazzed today, so we'll add a big open mouth smile. And we'll add some little teeth in here, little row of teeth, and a little tongue. I'm not sure if starfish really have teeth, but this one does. And I think it's hilarious. Okay. Now we'll add some opportunity for some detail. We can fill in along the center of each triangle with a row of little ovals. And what this does is sets you up for some color success later by creating some areas where you can bring in different colors. And that's always fun. Okay, and if you want your starfish to be laying in the sand, you can add a few little dots around just to indicate a little bit of sand texture, just to place your starfish in a recognizable environment here. So there we've got our character. Now it's time to add color. So you can grab colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like to bring in some color to your starfish. This is what I chose to do. Because every artist should always sign their work. All right, and there we have our starfish characters. Wonderful job today, everyone. If you'd like to share your drawings with me, feel free to tag me at Art with Ashley B on Instagram. And if you enjoyed yourself today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more illustrations coming your way. I'll see you next time.